Good morning, everyone, from the Philippines. I know we haven't been on in a while, a couple days now. Just kind of put the camera down, put the electronics away, and took a break for a couple days. We're out and about this morning. I don't know, we're just taking a road trip, I guess. You head straight down this road, it takes you into the Marquee Mall. And we came out of the circle there at Marquee Mall, and we are seeing some fruits. I want to grab some fruits. I don't know what this town is, or this barangay. I don't know. It's a part of Mexico. Thought I'd seen some fruits here. Yeah. Hungry for a banana. What's that fruit? What's that drink there, look? What is that? Melon. Yeah, I'll get some of that. I'm gonna walk down here, look. Yeah, get a little bit of that. Any money? You got it? Alright. Hello. Coconut. What is this?
Papaya.
Papaya.
I forgot that in English. That's what
I thought it was like a shrimp or something.
No, they have the papaya also and shrimp. They mix together.
Let me see.
Oh. Yeah, it's just like that when it's turn like yellow. That are you supposed to eat that all every day?
Oh, okay.
Okay. What's that in English?
I don't know what it is in English.
Papaya.
Papaya. Can you eat that? Can I taste that? Can I taste that? Oh, then you put shrimp in there. Yeah. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. That's how you make it, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
You want to see, sir?
I want to see? Uh-oh, yeah. Can I see how you make it? Oh, can I?
Wait a minute, sir.
Okay. What's in that batter? What's in there?
Sauce.
Sauce. What's in the sauce?
Rice.
Uh-huh.
Shrimp.
Uh-huh.
Many.
Many.
Yes.
It's masarap.
Yes.
Oh.
Masarap.
That's it.
That's the secret.
That's a secret?
The secret.
Oh, okay.
Secret recipe.
Secret sauce, secret recipe. All right, I understand.
Wanna try it? You wanna try it?
Oh, we bought one. Yes, we're gonna eat one. Salamat. Thank you.
Sure, you got that. Right.
I will do that. Thank you. There it is. Okoy. What is it? Okoy. Look, Okoy. Okoy. What's Okoy main branch? That's it, Okoy. Oh, okay. Then they fry it up. Alright guys, so I stopped for bananas, but they didn't have bananas, so picked up that, what is it, melon? It was a melon juice. It was very good. And picked up the melon juice and ate some of that okoy. I've had that before. It's very good, especially with the I guess it's some type of vinegar or oil that you dip it in. But anyways, there's Mount Arayat right out there, and I think we're gonna head that way. So we're gonna head out that way and see if we can find our way to Mount Arayat. All right, we are at Mount Arayat, and this is the entrance right here. You come up, and what is it, 75 peso? 75 peso to enter. Can we drive up that way?
Yeah, she said you can drive over there and put your car down, and there's a toilet over there.
We can drive up that road?
Yeah, over here and then go down.
And then it goes like down?
Yeah, you can park.
All right, well that's where we're headed. But yeah, here's the entrance to the park. 75 pesos per person. And we're gonna head up this way and check it out. Well, I really don't know where we're going here. Love had to go to the bathroom. So she is there. But this is pretty nice. Mount Arayat is the big mountain you see out in the distance from Angeles City. And kind of looks like a volcano. But yeah, here it is. Mount Arayat National Park. Welcome. I don't know, it's about 10:30. I think it took us about an hour to get here. I know next time I come, I'm for sure going to ride the motorbike, because traffic coming up here is a little, I don't know. Let's put it this way, I can get up here quicker on the motorcycle. Yeah, nice park, huh? We're gonna go in, we're gonna check it out, explore around. Looks like they got like a playground for kids down in there. Yep, see it? I always see it in the distance, so now we're finally here. Alright, I gotta find Lut. I guess it's a self-guided tour. Where's the CR? Up there?
More, no,
Oh.
that's not a bad thing.
I know Lut was saying that people were asking if we wanted a tour guide. So, but now I think we'll handle it ourselves and we'll walk around and find out where we gotta go. Office of the PASU. Whatever that is. Huh. Oh, it's nice and cool. Nice shade. Oh, I got some koi here. Yeah, koi in here.
Oh, there's a fish.
Yeah, there's some fish in there.
That's how you catch it.
Yeah.
Then they cook it.
It's dinner.
Tilapia.
I'm gonna walk up here, Lut. Up here. 100 steps.
What's in after?
I don't know. We're gonna find out, aren't we?
Oh,
100 steps. Donna
Doña Aurora
National.
Notarium.
All right.
President Manuel L. Quezon, 1939 Commonwealth President.
You want to walk that
Go ahead.
or not?
It's up to you.
Can what?
Can you handle?
Can I handle the steps? Well, we're gonna get there. We can go up. What is that? Lady of the Grotto. I'm sure I could get up these steps.
Oh, Ban.
And Ban
Oh,
Ban.
this is not really like harder than linear drawing. This is a good exercise every day.
Yeah. Shows you how out of shape I am, huh?
Yeah.
That's a walk. We ain't even up there yet. We'll get there. We'll get there. I better turn off the camera so people don't hear me huffing and puffing. All right, when you get up here, let me show you this here. There's like a, I don't know, like a lookout or something. What it looks out to is, well, there it is. That's what it looks out to. That was 100 steps, huh?
All trees.
All trees, all jungle. That was 100 steps. That was 100 hard steps, huh?
Yeah. Good exercise.
Good exercise, but wow, I'm out of shape for sure. Yeah, this is the area up top. Like I told you, they just kind of let it just go.
Kind of outdated.
Yeah. Well, who knows if they put money into it or not. This is what the steps come up to. What do you call this, Lit?
Mary.
Mary?
Yeah, Mama Mary.
Mama Mary, what is it, like a shrine? Say prayers?
You want to chant prayers, you play canto, you make a wish.
Yeah.
Sacrifice for 100 steps, then you make a wish, you pray.
I'd
Give your soul.
Somebody put a couple apples. I'm just praying and thank God I made it up here. Yeah.
Pray that thanks God, He always give me another day.
That's true. Up here they got all the water in these troughs, as you can see. And it flows down like a little waterfall there into this pool. That pool you can go swimming in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Guess we'll go down there and check it out. Check out the swimming pool. They got this all fenced in here where the waterfall comes in, or whatever little waterfall that is. And guess you got to go this way.
Yeah.
Get down to the pool entrance area. Is it free to swim, Lut?
Yeah.
It is. Is this, here's a gate. Let me go in here. I ain't going swimming, guys. I'm just coming down to check it out.
I don't have a
Huh?
swimming. I don't, because I don't have swimming.
No, I'm not going swimming either. I'm just coming down to check it out.
Oh, the water is so freaking cold.
Oh yeah, it's definitely cold. Because that water's coming off the mountain.
Oh my God.
Ready to take a dip, Lut?
Oh boy. It's
Too cold?
Yeah.
Pool looks deep too. I've seen him swimming in it. There's a frog. Make him hop, Lut. Make him hop.
Froggy. Hi, Froggy. Froggy. Oh, there you go. Froggy. Come here, Froggy. Oh,
Don't know, pee on you, Lut.
Froggy. I'm far.
I'll leave him go.
Pong.
You're making him mad.
I will-
Another frog.
I will make them.
Yeah, you can make him jump.
Bang!
There he goes.
Froggy.
Lut says this is a fish pond. I see fish out there.
Yeah, see that?
Yeah, I see fish out there.
There are.
Yeah, there are a whole bunch out there.
Yeah, there's too many.
I'll tell you what, guys, I might have seen about a dozen frogs here.
There's too many frogs.
There's like a dozen frogs that we just seen here, just walking around this little area here. So if you're afraid of frogs, don't come in this area. Matter of fact, there's one right here. Right here he is.
Why should you afraid of frogs? Frogs don't bite you.
I know, but there's another one right there, side by side. Maybe it's breeding time. Who knows? Yeah, they blend it right in. There's one. There's one.
They're looking for female.
Looking for yeah, but do they breed on ground or they breed in the water?
I don't know.
I don't know. There's a ton of little frogs around here. No, they're not little. They're big.
The only frog I know that I can eat is in the ano, right?
Are they poisonous?
Yeah.
These frogs are poisonous?
Yes.
Well,
You wanna walk to the trail?
yeah, we'll walk down there. Yeah, we'll take this trail. You guys, that's what Lut's afraid of. It's like a little inchworm, like a little caterpillar. And Lut does not like these things. Looks like some kind of suspension bridge, Lut.
Huh?
Gonna go on that suspension bridge?
Yeah. Looks like scary, huh? Oh! Oh crap.
Need another stick now. I'm sure it won't be hard to find a stick around here, Lut.
Okay, are you ready?
Uh-oh.
It's not bad.
Uh-uh.
Just like me. I don't really like it comes too high. Feel, oh, pow!
I'm just walking.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm just walking.
Oh my God.
Wait, where's your stick? Well, we made it to the other side, Lut. We're safe. This doesn't look too promising. You know what?
Huh?
These buildings don't look too promising.
Oh. There's
Yeah, little red dragonfly things. Yeah, goldfish.
cool.
I don't know if the camera picks up them. They're. Oh, now he's back up flying again. There's these little red dragonflies. They are cool looking.
We used to pick this one in before when I was young. We used to pick this, the dragon, and then we put like
A string?
string on it, and then we used to raise like
Oh yeah,
we used to raise it.
they are cool looking.
They have also like green.
Green ones still? Yeah.
I think this is called
It's like a big pavilion here.
yeah. There's karaoke.
Karaoke.
Everybody wants karaoke.
Wonder if you can rent this out?
Yeah, I think this is like venue. You have a birthday party,
Right.
wedding or something. Maybe on my golden year. On my debut.
It's pretty big.
Yeah.
You'd have to have a big party in here.
Yeah, there's 2 karaoke. But if you own 2, then nobody can hear what you sing.
Well, that don't matter. There's actually 3 karaokes in here.
Oh yeah.
1, 2, 3. So it'd be like, it's got a good echo. So it'd be like dueling karaoke going on in here, or triple karaoke going on in here. Echo, echo, echo. Look,
Iko.
echo. Say chinsaw.
Sincho.
Look, what do you cut trees with?
Sincho.
What is it called?
Sinso.
Ah, yeah. All right, guys, this is Ati, the one that was making sure we were safe and we were okay and we weren't getting harmed. And yeah, this is Ati.
So,
Oh, all right, look, give us your opinion, honestly.
about this place?
Yes, about this place.
It's good, it's peaceful, but you know what? It's trashy. The
Yeah.
thing about it is, it's so ashamed that they don't maintain cleaning it. I see a lot of trash.
Yeah, you know what? I don't know what it looks like in the summertime when there's more people here, but
Maybe I should back it summer.
yeah, we'll come back in the summer to check it out. But you know, they don't dump a lot of money into their national parks here. But I mean, if everything was up to date and kept nice, and like I said, I don't know. I can't really judge
No,
it
I mean,
because
like,
it's off season.
Even
You know.
though it's not summer or anything, the only thing is just throw your trash nicely.
Yeah.
because I just seen a lot of trash.
Yeah, the issue with trash again, but
I'm not-
I don't know. I guess we'll have to come back in the summer and check it out. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up here at Mount Arayat. If you're in Angeles City, you can ride out here on a motorbike. If you have a car, obviously you can drive out here. It's not very far, like an hour to get here. If you're renting a motorbike and visiting Angeles City or the area, you can ride out here too. It's not that far of a ride. It's not all highways. Mostly, you know, you're going to slow down because of the traffic going through the small barangays. But anyways, guys, we're going to wrap this one up. And I guess tomorrow's a new day. The journey continues. And
Until next time.
all right.